popular video sharing platform that allows content creators to upload, share, and monetize their videos. Earning money on YouTube primarily comes from advertisements, sponsorships, and other revenue streams. Here are some key points about YouTube earnings. Ad revenue. YouTube creators can earn money through advertisements displayed on their videos. The revenue generated from ads is shared between YouTube and the content creator. The exact amount earned per ad view can vary widely and depends on factors like the viewer's location, ad engagement, ad format, and the creator's audience. YouTube Partner Program (YPP). To monetize their videos through ads, creators need to join the YouTube Partner Program. Eligibility criteria for the program include having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months, complying with YouTube's policies and guidelines, and residing in an eligible country. CPM and RPM. YouTube's ad revenue is often measured in terms of CPM, cost per mil, and RPM, revenue per mil. CPM represents the earnings per 1,000 ad views, while RPM measures the estimated revenue per 1,000 video views. Including all revenue sources, e.g., ads, YouTube Premium, channel memberships, sponsorships and brand deals. Content creators with a significant following and engaged audience may receive sponsorships and brand deals. These collaborations involve promoting a product, service, or brand in their videos in exchange for payment or free products. The earnings from sponsorships can vary widely based on the creator's reach, niche, and negotiating skills. YouTube Premium and channel memberships. YouTube Premium is a subscription-based service that allows users to watch ad-free videos and access premium features. Creators receive a portion of the subscription fee based on the amount of time premium subscribers spend watching their content. Channel memberships are another way creators can earn money by offering exclusive perks and content to their subscribers for a monthly fee. Other revenue streams. Besides ad revenue and sponsorships, creators can explore additional income sources such as merchandise sales, crowdfunding platforms, e.g., Patreon, live streaming donations, fan subscriptions, and licensing their content. It's important to note that YouTube earnings can vary significantly depending on various factors, including the number of views, audience engagement, video length, content niche, and ad rates. Additionally, YouTube's monetization policies and algorithms may change over time, affecting the earning potential for creators. What is ad revenue from YouTube? ChatGPT. Ad revenue from YouTube refers to the income earned by content creators through the display of advertisements on their videos. When ads are shown on YouTube videos, creators receive a portion of the revenue generated from those ads. The ad revenue on YouTube is primarily generated through the following advertising formats. Pre-roll ads. These are ads that play before the start of a video. Viewers have the option to skip these ads after a few seconds, and creators earn revenue if viewers watch a certain portion of the ad or interact with it. Mid-roll ads. These ads appear in the middle of longer videos, typically during natural breaks in the content. Creators can manually place mid-roll ads or have them inserted automatically by YouTube based on factors such as video length and content. Display ads. These are banner ads that appear as overlays on the video or in the sidebar of the YouTube page. They can be in the form of text, images, or interactive ads. Creators earn revenue when viewers click on or engage with these ads. Sponsored cards. These are clickable cards that display relevant products, services, or websites during the video. Creators can integrate sponsored cards into their videos and earn revenue when viewers click on the cards. The exact amount of ad revenue earned per view or interaction can vary widely based on several factors, including the viewer's location, ad engagement, such as clicks or ad completion, ad formats, the advertiser's bidding amount, and the creator's audience demographics and engagement. It's important to note that YouTube shares a portion of the ad revenue with creators, typically through the YouTube Partner Program, YPP. The revenue split is subject to YouTube's policies and guidelines, and the specific details of the revenue sharing arrangement may change over time. User. What is YouTube Partner Program, YPP? ChatGPT. The YouTube Partner Program, YPP, is a program that allows content creators to monetize their videos on YouTube through advertisements and other revenue streams. To join the YouTube Partner Program and start earning money from their content, creators must meet certain eligibility requirements and adhere to YouTube's policies. Here are the key aspects of the YouTube Partner Program. Eligibility requirements. 2. Be eligible for the YPP, creators need to meet specific criteria, including channel monetization requirements. The channel must have at least 1,000 subscribers. Watch time requirements. The channel must have accumulated at least 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Adherence to YouTube policies. The channel must comply with all of YouTube's policies and guidelines, including the community guidelines, AdSense program policies, and copyright rules. Geographic eligibility. The YPP is available in many countries worldwide, but not all countries are currently eligible. Creators must reside in a country where the YPP is available. Monetization benefits. Once a creator is accepted into the YPP, they gain access to various monetization benefits, including ad revenue. Creators can earn money from advertisements displayed on their videos. YouTube shares a portion of the ad revenue with the creator. Channel memberships. Creators can offer channel memberships, where viewers pay a monthly fee to access exclusive perks and content. Merchandise shelf. Creators can showcase their official merchandise on their channel through the merchandise shelf. Super Chat and Super Stickers. Creators can enable Super Chat and Super Stickers during live streams, allowing viewers to purchase highlighted messages or animated stickers. Review and approval process. Once a channel meets the eligibility requirements, creators can apply for the YouTube Partner Program. YouTube then reviews the channel to ensure compliance with the guidelines and policies. The review process involves evaluating the content for quality, originality, adherence to copyright rules, and overall suitability for monetization. It's important to note that YouTube periodically reviews channels in the YPP to ensure ongoing compliance with the policies. Creators need to maintain their eligibility criteria and continue adhering to YouTube's guidelines to remain in the program and continue monetizing their content. User. What is CPM and RPM? ChatGPT CPM, cost per mil, and RPM, revenue per mil, are commonly used metrics in the advertising industry to measure and estimate the earnings of content creators on platforms like YouTube. Here's a brief explanation of each term. CPM. Cost per mil. CPM represents the cost an advertiser pays for every 1,000 ad impressions, views, of their ad. It is calculated by dividing the total cost of the ad campaign by the number of impressions, and then multiplying the result by 1,000. CPM is often used to describe the advertising rates or revenue earned by content creators per 1,000 ad views on their videos. For example, if an ad campaign costs $10,000 and receives 1 million ad impressions, the CPM would be $10. This means that the advertiser is paying $10 for every 1,000 ad views. RPM. Revenue per mil. RPM represents the estimated revenue earned by a content creator per 1,000 video views. It takes into account all revenue sources, not just ad revenue. RPM is calculated by dividing the estimated total revenue generated from all sources, such as ads, YouTube Premium, channel memberships, etc., by the number of video views, and then multiplying the result by 1,000. RPM provides creators with an estimate of how much they are earning per 1,000 views, considering all the revenue streams associated with their channel. It's important to note that CPM and RPM can vary significantly based on factors such as the content niche, audience demographics, ad engagement rates, ad formats, advertiser demand, and other market conditions. Additionally, the actual earnings of a creator may differ from the estimated CPM and RPM figures, as YouTube's revenue sharing percentages and algorithms may impact the final earnings. What is sponsorships and brand deals? ChatGPT sponsorships and brand deals are partnerships between content creators and brands or companies. In these collaborations, creators promote or endorse a product, service, or brand in their videos or other content in exchange for payment or other benefits. Here's an overview of sponsorships and brand deals. Sponsorships. A sponsorship is a business arrangement where a creator receives compensation from a brand or company to promote their products or services. The creator integrates the sponsored content into their videos in a way that aligns with their audience and content style. This can include mentioning the brand, showcasing the product, providing a review, or creating dedicated sponsored content. Brand deals. A brand deal is a partnership where a content creator works directly with a brand or company to create promotional content. This can involve creating sponsored videos, social media posts, blog posts, or other forms of content to promote the brand or its products. Brand deals may also include attending events, participating in campaigns, or becoming a brand ambassador. Compensation. Creators are typically compensated for sponsorships and brand deals in various ways, including flat fee. Creators receive a fixed payment for their promotional efforts. Performance-based. Compensation is tied to specific metrics or results, such as video views, engagement, or sales generated. Free products or services. Instead of or in addition to monetary compensation, creators may receive free products or services from the brand they are promoting. Disclosure and transparency. To maintain transparency and comply with advertising regulations, creators are generally required to disclose when their content includes sponsored or paid promotions. This is typically done by including a clear and conspicuous disclosure statement. or using specific hashtags like hashtag ad or hashtag sponsor.